Hey Shabazz staff, it's Rachel. I wanted to show you, just in case you forgot, how you can set up your Zooms. There are two different ways I would suggest you go about doing it. One is if you just go to the Zoom website, you want to sign in, and I would suggest signing in with your Gmail, your MMSD email, and then that'll kind of set up your free account. There is a pretty major update, so if it says your Zoom is out of date, I would suggest updating it right away because it may not work for you if you don't. Okay, but what you can do is then schedule a meeting, and this will actually plop it into your email for you. So I can do my meeting, put in the date and the time. I can set up, you want it to generate automatically versus needing a meeting ID. You want there to be a waiting room, but not a passcode. If you want any sort of things about video being on or off, you can kind of get that set up. And then you go ahead and hit save and then add it to your Google Calendar. So that is one option for you. I actually think it's a lot easier to actually set it up through your Google Calendar. So what I can do is just create an event at the time. So for example, if my class is 10 to 10:30, and then I can add Zoom meeting right onto the calendar and then invite all my students. And so then they'll automatically have the Zoom link. You can then go into that Zoom, grab the link. So just to show you how to do that, if I open up my Zoom here that I made on the calendar, hello, here I am. And I go participants, invite, and I went into my Gmail, there's the link right there. So you can email the link directly to students. They'll also have it in their Google Calendar. So I think that's the easier way to go about it. But again, there's different ways you can do it. You can use the Zoom website or you can use the Google Calendar. So hopefully that was helpful.